Jai Hind Defense aspirants, my name is Karthik Negi and in today's video I will be talking about that how to read newspaper or what is the strategy which I follow to read newspaper. So many of you were asking that when I told that we should read newspaper or we should include reading newspaper in my previous video. So many of you asked from me that how to read newspaper or what can be the strategy. So this is the strategy which I follow, and recently since 4 to 5 days I have been following this strategy. So that's why I'm telling you, if you feel this strategy good, so you can follow it, otherwise you can make your own strategy uh, for reading newspapers. First of all, telling that why should we read newspaper. So as an NDA aspirant, reading newspaper is very important task because there are so many things which can be improved of ours after reading newspaper or while reading newspaper. So first of thing is, by reading newspaper our uh, reading skills improves and we are aware of the new sentences, and by just reading we are habitual of making sentences without knowing any vocabulary or any grammar things. So first thing first, we are able to know that by reading newspaper we can improve our reading. And the second thing is vocabulary. While reading newspaper, when you read newspaper, there are so many words which are not known to you, and by that, if you will go to internet or you will search those words, and you will be getting synonyms and antonyms of those words, and that is so simple. You can write those words in your register, as I have done. And this is my vocabulary register. I have made this register and it's not so thick, it's very thin, and this is my mistake. But uh, when it will get completed or it will be filled, I'll make new register if needed. So I will show you that how do I write news. So I'll be showing you that how do I write vocabularies and their synonyms and antonyms. So let's say take an example of this word, that is conundrum. I have written synonyms of the word conundrum and there are around 4 to 5 words, and below that I have written antonym and there are also 4 to 5 antonyms of that word. So this is the strategy while writing vocabularies I follow for it. And the third thing which is also important, and it is important in the perspective of our written exam also and SSB also, that is we get to know the knowledge or what is happening around us, what is happening in country or internationally, and we are able to get aware of it just by sitting in our home. So continuing, I have told that why do we read newspaper, and now I'll continue that how should we read newspaper. So I used to give in my home. I used to give around 1 hour to it. I used to read newspaper just 1 hour before going to school. And why I do so? Because at 11 o'clock I have put it an alarm, and by that I got to know. I used to know that yes, it's 11 o'clock right now, and if it's 11:15, so max I start reading newspaper from 11:15 to 12 o'clock. So I used to give 45 minutes to read newspaper and get the knowledge about what's happening around us. And what is the strategy I follow? First of all, from first page of newspaper till the last page of newspaper, I used to just read headings of the newspaper, and by reading those headings I get to know that what is important for me in the exam point of view or in the SSB point of view, that which can be asked. And if it is related to something political, so I used to just ignore it, and if it's international, if it's international or national, so I used to do a blue tick or black tick from blue or black pen. And later when I'll be at the end of the last page, I again open the first page of it, and the topics or the headings on which I have put it the blue tick or black tick, that I used to read it again, the headline of it, and then after that I used to read its paragraph. So first of all, what you have to do is we just have to read headlines till until we reach the last page. Then again, the topics which we feel that this is important, we will do blue tick or black tick, and then again starting from the first page we will open it again and see that where we have ticked blue or black from whatever pen you are taking that headline, and then we will read its paragraph, or it we will read it briefly. So yes, we will not be able to read so much, but yes, we will be able to get some of the vocabularies through it. And those vocabularies which we got, we will be writing on this vocab register. As I have said that we will be just reading those headlines or important things, so we will not be able to read it properly. So that's why there are two pages on the newspaper, and in Indian Express there are two pages of editorial. So I prefer that you should read editorials, because by reading that editorial page or those two pages include this much things, that it can also improve your thoughts and it will also broaden your thinking. And why I'm reading editorial, because this was suggested to the students which are watching, who were watching live of Major General Yashmore sir. So I followed his advice, and right now I just read editorials. And at what time I read editorials, because if we are giving 45 to 30 to 45 minutes in reading headlines and again reading its paragraph and writing vocabularies, so I won't be getting time. So that's the time I used to take those two pages to my school, and I read it by putting all concentration and focus to it. And whatever the words which are new to me, I used to just underline it, and on the next day after reading the headlines and taking and reading the paragraph, if I'll get time, so I used to write the vocabulary on the register, and there's synonyms and antonyms. So I will be giving you example of the newspaper which I read in school. So this is the newspaper, or you can say editorial, which I read. And here are around 20 to 30 vocabularies which I found that yes, they are new to me. So there are words like arrows, glaring, pretense, and defiance, benevolent, miliage, and drapery. So there are so many words. Some of them which I have not written, I'll be writing today, and some which I have wrote, I have just ticked it so that I won't write it again. And this is the strategy which I follow while reading newspaper. And in school, if you are not able to read it, so just get some half an hour time to read it, because if you will be reading these editorials, so you will be getting an overview, or your thoughts will be improved, that how someone's perspective is related to the topic. So hope so this video helped you, and if you are there with some other queries, you can comment below. I'll be getting their solution also. And best of luck for your NDA journey, and goodbye.